Hey mamas, this is going to be a game changer for postpartum. So, hopefully, you've been doing a lot of prep for baby to make its appearance out into the earth side, into the world. While you've been growing that baby, definitely have that baby bump going, third trimester, and just finished creating a breastfeeding cart. So, why do you even want this? Why could it be helpful? Well, this may be helpful for you because it does have wheels and it's going to have everything you may need to breastfeed, to pump, to feed your baby, and it's mobile, and that way everything's in one place. And if you're just camped out in a section of the house or you need to move around, you can kind of take this around with you. So there's different categories on each shelf. The bottom shelf, I have all of the breast pumping items on it. Shelf number 2 has all the diaper change items in it, and then top shelf has all the snacks and hydration for mama and any other things you might need while you're just sitting and pumping. So I wanted to go over what's in my cart in a little more detail. I did create a short, but just to add some background on the why behind it, and that way you can ask yourself if this is something you'd want to make and what things you can actually draw from this video and what I have in my cart to see what would be most helpful for you. All right, so bottom shelf, this is going to be all of the pumping stuff if you are choosing to breastfeed. So I do have like a Haka, a breast milk collector, so that way, depending on how much milk I'm producing, it's not going to just, baby's not going to kick it off. It's very compact, and it'll just go in the opposite breast. So baby will be on one side, this will be on the other. So I have like the Haka, I also have the manual pump, and then I also have the Spectra 2 actual breast pumping machine. Got that through my insurance. Most insurance companies should give you a free breast pump, so definitely take advantage of that. There are usually restrictions on which ones you can get, but Spectra 2 has been had a lot of good support behind it, and from other mamas that I've heard from. It does plug into the wall though. You need an outlet, and so lately there's been a lot more breast pumps available that are wireless. Since I work from home, I'm thinking it doesn't really matter. I'll just use the Spectra 2, plug it in, and kind of just camp out for 45 minutes next to this cart with everything I need. So we'll see kind of what happens if I want to get some wireless ones in the future. But starting with this for now, it was free with insurance. So again, how can I make this a little bit easier for breastfeeding, right? And then the middle shelf has all of baby's needs. So this is going to be, oh my gosh, need to do a diaper change. So have I don't know where it went, but I have a diaper changing mat that I can, side note, pregnancy brain. Here's my take on pregnancy brain. I'm totally getting distracted. So pregnancy brain, I don't believe in. I know it's a word, phrase tossed around, but I honestly think it's not pregnancy brain where you forget words and things. I think it's just your mind is racing. There are so many things to prepare for in just a short 9-month time span that little common things that you can normally just, name off of, you're just like, what? So I have the changing pad somewhere. It'll show up once I get everything tucked away. But second shelf is all about the diaper changes. So I have some water wipes, also have some diaper cream, have some no rinse cleansing water, and then have the actual diapers. That's it for now. I'll see if I need anything else. I might throw like a pacifier in there or something else for comfort if I want to, just for after breastfeeding him. But those are at least the essentials for now. And then the very top shelf, which is the highest shelf, that's where all the goodies are. So have a bunch of snacks that don't need refrigeration. Again, last thing you want to do is if you're breastfeeding, especially if you're hooked to the wall outlet and you're like, yeah, I'm starving, I need food. So have a bunch of snacks, like granola bars, RX bars for protein. Also, I've been loving fruit and fruit juice lately during pregnancy. So also got these like pure organic. It's just dried fruit. That way, the actual fruit itself is going to be the best way to get your fiber and nutrients in, but this is all pure ingredients and it doesn't need to be refrigerated. So I have some of those. I have a bunch of just extra water bottles besides carrying around like a reusable water bottle to go a little more green, but just have some water, just in case I'm out of water, really thirsty. I have some other snacks as well. And then as he gets older, I might add like a book on the cart. So if I want to read and breastfeed with him, I can add a book as well. Any kind of things that you might just want to do if you're, again, like hooked to a wall while breastfeeding. I also have some powdered hydration IV supplements, so that way I'm getting those electrolytes in as well. And that's kind of everything so far I have. Again, once I actually start breastfeeding, I'll see if I need to change anything around. But again, I'll go back to that first picture to show you. This is before my pump came in from the insurance, but pumping stuff on the third bottom shelf, all the diaper change things that I'll need, and then top shelf is for mama. So all those snacks, hydration, hand sanitizer, water, books, whatever you may need. Hopefully you found that helpful. Things are listed below, and have a wonderful day, mama.